In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the perfect WordPress theme for your website. This is a crucial step in setting up your online presence, as the right theme can make your site look professional, engaging, and tailor-fitted to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to start a blog, sell your products, or simply have a place to share your ideas, selecting the right WordPress theme is where your digital journey begins. First up, let me guide you through navigating to WordPress.com. It's more than just a website. It's a comprehensive platform where you can build your site, start a blog, and even sell your merchandise. Once you're there, you'll notice a plethora of options and services available. But our focus today is on finding that perfect theme. Now, to get to the treasure trove of themes, you're going to need to log into your WordPress account. If you haven't already set up an account, don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and WordPress does a great job guiding you through. For those of you who already have an account, simply click on the login button located usually on the top right corner of the page. A handy tip for Google users, you can expedite the login process by clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account to log in, eliminating the need to remember another password, which, let's be honest, is always a welcome feature. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use for this. Make sure you pick an account you frequently use for business or personal projects related to your WordPress site. This can help streamline your workflow and keep your digital life a bit more organized. Once you've selected your Google account, it's time to click Continue. This action will link your Google account with WordPress, making future logins quicker and more seamless. Now, deep breath, you're in. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard, aka the nerve center of your website. This is where the magic happens. From here, navigate to My Home. You should see this option once you've logged in, and it's essentially your go-to place for anything related to managing your WordPress site. Up next, we're diving into the appearance of your site. Look for the Appearance option. This is where WordPress hides all the tools you'll need to make your site look exactly the way you want. Click on Appearance to open up a world of customization. Guess what? You're going to click on Appearance once more. It might seem like you're going in circles, but this step is crucial for accessing the Themes section. WordPress layout updates might mean you have to click through a couple of times to get to where you want to be, so patience is key. And here we are at the heart of today's journey, the Themes section. This is where you'll find a vast collection of themes, each with its unique design, layout, and customizable features. Whether you're looking for something sleek and professional, fun and vibrant, or minimalist and clean, there's a theme here with your name on it. A few things to remember while browsing through themes. Firstly, consider your website's purpose. Different themes cater to different needs, so having a clear idea of what you want your site to do will help narrow down the options. Secondly, don't forget to preview themes. WordPress allows you to see a live preview of how your site would look with a particular theme, so take advantage of this feature. Lastly, customization is key. Most themes offer a range of customizable options, so once you've chosen a theme, spend some time tweaking it to perfection, and there you have it. That's how you navigate through WordPress to find the perfect theme for your website. Remember, the right theme not only makes your site more visually appealing, but can also enhance user experience, which is paramount in keeping your visitors engaged and coming back for more. Take your time, explore your options, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your perfect WordPress theme is out there waiting for you. Happy theming,